real reason you need this. Let's be honest, life has been draining you more than you admit. Everyone tells you to keep pushing, stay strong and hustle, but nobody tells you to stop and actually take care of yourself. Not everyone has the luxury of booking a spa appointment whenever lives get overwhelming. But here's the reality. You don't need it. With the right setup, mindset and intention, you can create a spa experience at home that's just as relaxing, just as healing and 100 times more personal. Today I'll talk about how to create a DIY spa day at home. But this isn't just a candle and bubbles. This is about resetting your mind, restoring your energy and looksmaxxing from the inside out. I used to think self-care is luxury, something you do when life slows down. But life never slows down, and neither did I. I was editing, shooting, working, juggling, expectation, pretending everything was fine until my mind and my body hit a wall. I stopped feeling confidence, stopped feeling grounded, stopped feeling like myself. When your confidence drops, it shows everywhere: your skin, your mood, your energy, your present. That's when I realized self-care isn't optional. It's maintenance, it's arrival. Creating spa days at home literally changed how I felt about myself, mentally, physically and emotionally. And now I am sharing that with you. Let's cut the nonsense. Pampering yourself isn't soft, it's smart. Your brain is running non-stop. Your stress hormones stay high. Your sleep gets worse, your skin gets dull, your energy dips, your mood drops. And then you wonder why you don't feel or look like your best self. When you take time to take care for yourself, even 20 minutes, your brain's reset. Your nervous system calms down, your skin begins to heal, your body stops fighting stress. Self-care is not about vanity, it's about balance, it's about biology. The moment you tell yourself, I matter enough to slow down, your confidence, clarity and looks all start to improve naturally. Everyone talks about grooming, everyone talks about fitness, everyone talks about skincare, but almost nobody talks about recovery. Looksmaxxing is not just jawline, haircut, fashion, gym, skincare. The hidden part of looksmaxxing is stress management, quality rest, proper pampering. Let's break it down. Fitness, your post-workout recovery determines your progress. A hot bath with Epsom salt reduces muscles soreness. A hot bath with Epsom salts will reduce muscles soreness, improve blood circulation, helps with sleep, speed of recovery. If you don't recover, you won't grow. Number 2, grooming. A small grooming ritual is not vanity, it's discipline. DIY mask, oiling your hair, exfoliating. These things boost your confidence and clean your aura instantly. Number 3, skincare. Stress destroys your body faster than junk food. A spa day fixes that by lowering cortisol, boosting hydration, increasing blood flow, helping your skin regenerate. A relaxed person always looks more attractive. DIY spa essential. What you actually need. You don't need luxury products. You need intention and a few basic. Here your checklist. Bath or shower setup. Essential oil, Epsom salt, sugar plus coconut oil, scrub warm water. Number 2, skincare. Honey, yogurt, aloe vera, seed marks, cucumber or green tea for eyes. 3, mood setters. Candles, diffuser, soothing playlist, dim lighting. For comfort item, soft towel, clean robe, sleepers, hair wrap, You can make almost everything at home without spending much. Step-by-step DIY spa routine. Here's the exact routine I follow when I need a deep reset. Number 1, prep the space. Dim light, light candles, play calming music, open windows for fresh air. Number 2, warm bath or shower. Add essential oil, lavender or anything which you love. Add Epsom salt. Relax your muscles. Let the steam detox your skin. Number 3, DIY body scrub. Mix 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons coconut oil, drop of essential oil, scrub gently. Scrub gentle, instant glow plus soft skin. Number 4, DIY face mask. Favorite yogurt and honey hydrates, brightens, cleans, makes your skin glow. Number 5, hair treatments. Warm coconut oil, scalp massage, relax nerves, nourishes roots. Number 6, self massage. Neck, shoulder, temples, jaw lines, releases tension instantly. Number 7, hydration plus reflection. Drink warm water. Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Let your mind settle. This is where the mental reset happens. The power of taking breaks. When you take a break, you are not escaping life. You are preparing to handle it better. Escaping life, you are preparing for handle it better. Pampering yourself, lower stress, improves immunity, makes your skin cleaner, boost confidence, sharpens your mind, make you think better, help you look more vibrant. Self-care isn't luxury, it's maintenance. I used to feel insecure about my looks, my routine, my productivity. I thought slowing down make me weak, but when I finally started caring for myself, everything changed. My skin improved, my confidence grew, my mood swing stabilized, my presence changed, my energy became stronger. Self-care helped me reconnect with myself, and that changed everything. How I look, how I feel, how I show off. Here's your challenge. Plan your DIY spa day this week. Just 1 hour for you. Comment below, fill in the blank. My spa day is on dash. Commit to yourself. Take the first step, because taking care of yourself is the ultimate glow up. Pamper yourself because you deserve it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real, practical self-care and looks maxing content.